welcome back to the channel. Okay, so to start, I am using the cotton rounds and the nail remover, which is going to serve as my alcohol, to wipe off any excess glue. Then I am using this Got To Be spray for extra hold on the wig cap. Now I am using my setting powder on the wig cap to blend in with my skin. So getting into the wig, this is from AliExpress and it is 13 by 4 frontal, 20 inches. It is also pre-plucked. And it has the elastic band in the back for extra hold. Right now I am making sure the wig fits my head, and then I'm going to cut the lace according to the shape of my head. So I'm just using the mousse to remove any flyaways, which is going to help me cut the lace seamlessly. Now I am cutting the lace in parts so I don't make any mistakes while cutting the whole thing all at once. And then I am using my tinted lace to spray in the lace of the wig, because that helps with more blending to the skin. And I'm just using the Ghost Bond on my edges and the middle, because that's where I want a lot of hold for the wig. I don't use the Ghost Bond all around anymore because I break out a lot from using the Ghost Bond. So now I just only use it on the edges so I can secure the wig better. And then I always like to use the Got To Be spray on top of that, because it makes as you can see, it makes the wig cap to look more, what do they call it? Melted. Yeah, it gives it that melted look, kinda. Okay, I didn't do this, but before using the blow dryer, make sure you go back in with the cotton round and a little bit of alcohol to wipe off that excess glue on the skin. Now placing the wig. So to start the styling process, I am going to start with the part that I am doing, which is the middle part, and then I am going to give the hair some layers. I don't really have a lot of experience with layers, but all you're really doing is just cutting the hair and giving it some layers. Now the wax stick is gonna help with melting the hair and making it lay down flat. And I'm using my hot iron to melt the wax so the hair can stay flat. This is all just part of the styling process. No, I don't know what that was. Okay, as you can see, I am done with styling and I'm just taking off the clips, and then I am going to comb out the hair a little bit so it looks a little bit more clean. And also, you may have noticed I didn't use a band on the hair to tie it down, and it still looks great. But if you want more like a melted look, you could, I think a band would make that better. And so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave it in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe and like the video and share the video. And until next time, stay safe and be blessed. Thank you guys for watching.